my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video. So today I'm going to be doing my makeup and I'm going to be testing out a few SwiitchBeauty products, or should I say the new releases that are going to be releasing on the 24th of February. So while my phone goes off, let's get started. Okay, so SwiitchBeauty sent me their 2 new product releases, and this is the Prime Time Kit and this is the Matte Bounce Powder. So let's go in with the Prime Time Kit. Now this is an exfoliating gel and matte lip balm. Firstly, can we talk about the packaging now? Damn, okay, SwiitchBeauty. So basically it says that the lip prepping gel removes dead skin or dry flaky bits on your lips to create a smooth ass even base. Okay, can we talk about the wording though? Slay us, SwiitchBeauty, slay us. And then there's also a lip priming balm which hydrates without being greasy, and this allows your lip color to go over smoothly and stay on, which is really fabulous. So yeah, I thought, since I am testing out some SwiitchBeauty products, why don't I use some SwiitchBeauty products? Okay, so when you open it, it has like an insert, and then it also has instructions on the back, and this one says step 1, this one says step 2, which is really nice. So let's start off with step 1. I just zoomed you guys in so you guys can see what I'm doing. Your girl is very blemished, so please don't judge me. Okay. The lip prepping gel says that you need to apply it to the lips liberally, and then wait 60 to 90 seconds, and then use circular motions with your fingertip to rub the gel in until you see dead skin or dry flakes start to roll off. I'm just gonna be taking like this much. It comes in like these toothpastey kind of tubes, which is like really sanitary. Just gonna apply this onto my lips. And now I guess I have to wait 60 to 90 seconds. Low key really gross, but let's rub this in. What? No way. No way. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm just gonna wipe this off. I mean, one thing's for sure, my lips definitely look and feel softer, and there's definitely no dry skin. So next I'm gonna go in with the matte balm and put this on my lips. I'm just taking just a little bit also, just to find this. Oh, is this the color it ends up being? So right off the bat I can tell it feels very sort of like watery, and then it just starts absorbing into the lips, which is very interesting. And oh, the white color disappears, which is interesting as well. Okay, so now we're gonna hop onto the face, and I'm gonna be using my Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. And then for foundation, I'm going to try and go in with this Maybelline Dream Velvet. I'm pretty sure this doesn't flashback, because I do want to do a flashback test with the Matte Bounce Powder from SwiitchBeauty. So okay, then I'm taking this dark brown shade from my Holy Grail Flash Case, and I'm just going to use this to contour. Ooh, this shade is dark. And then blending this out with my SwiitchBeauty G31 contour brush. Okay, and then going in with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Medium Peach. And I'm just going to be highlighting under my eyes, down the center of my forehead. So next, to set the face, we're going to go in with the SwiitchBeauty Matte Bounce Powder, and it says the shade is no color, so it has a no color, and it says Bounce Bake Matte, which is quite interesting. And then it also gives you a brief description of what is baking, which is quite nice. Okay, so I've already pulled off the sticker kind of thing that comes over the sieve, and this is what the packaging looks like. So it has like a sieve and it's kind of like mesh, so your finger can go right in, which is quite interesting. And you guys, this powder reminds me so much, like I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see the texture, but this reminds me so much of the LA Girl Original Pro Powder. So I'm just going to pick up some powder on a little sponge and just kind of start baking with it on my under eye area. It is definitely very finely milled, and the texture definitely feels a lot like the LA Girl Pro Powder, guys. I'm sorry to be comparing it the whole time to that powder, but it has a lot of similarities to that powder. I don't know if you guys can see, but like on my forehead you can see where the powder is compared to where the foundation and contour is. You can already see like how mattified it is, which is so crazy. So we're gonna let this bake on the skin and move on to the eyes, and obviously whatever fallout there is, this powder is gonna catch that. Going in with my SwiitchBeauty Slays for Days palette and taking the lightest shade in this palette, I'm gonna go ahead and just highlight my brow bone. And then going in with this brown transition shade, I'm just going to start dusting that into my crease. And then going in with this orangey shade and also dusting that into my crease. Just kind of warming up the outer corner of the eye, adding more dimension as well. And then taking my SwiitchBeauty Top Notch palette and taking this beautiful maroon color and just adding some dip on the outer corner of the eye, and also taking this all the way into my crease. And then taking this white shade from the SwiitchBeauty Holy Grail Flash Case, and I'm going to use this to cut my crease. Going back in with that shade that we used to highlight the brow bone, and I'm just going to be using this to set this cream into place. And then going in with the Top Notch palette again and taking this purple shimmery shade and just kind of hitting that on the center of the lid to just blend the matte white into the maroony kind of color and just create a seamless blend. And then you know I gotta add a little some into my crease, so I'm gonna go in with this Essence Super Shock Metal Shadow and taking this on a liner brush, and I'm just going to put this into my crease. So I did my liner and mascara off of camera because you know liner takes too long sometimes, and I'm just gonna go in now and just take my Benefit Hoola bronzer and just set all my cream contoured areas into place. For blush, I'm going to be applying my Catrice Illuminating Blush. This is in the shade Coral Me Maybe. And then going in with my SwiitchBeauty Glowgasm palette and taking this golden shade right here, and I'm just going to pop that onto the tops of my cheeks. And then just using some Kiki Beauty setting spray to just set my face. I'm just going to go in with some lip liner first, and we're going to see how this affects the application of the lip products. I'm taking my Smudge Chalk Purple lip liner, And then going in with the shade Stripped. Just applying that onto my lips. And then taking a little bit of the shade Baby Doll and just putting that on the center of my lips. So this is it for the final look. I really hope you guys have enjoyed. As far as the primetime kit goes, I have to say, I don't know what they put in that lip prepping balm thingamabobs, but I mean, damn, I'm just like, I'm shook. I'm out here shook. So now is the moment of truth for the powder. We're gonna see if it flashes back. I mean, it looks pretty good on the skin. It literally has no color whatsoever, and it is keeping me fairly matte in my oily regions, like right here and right up against the nose and stuff. So let's see if it flashes back. So as you guys can see by the picture, which I will put on the screen right here, it does give me flashback under my eyes. But yeah, other than that, I'm not getting any flashback on the rest of my face. I mean, I guess the only thing that is left to test at this point is for how long it keeps the skin matte. So yeah, I will catch you guys in a few hours. The time right now is 25 past 12. I've had this makeup on for about, I want to say, half an hour. Let's say we've had it on for half an hour. I'm pretty sure I've had it on for longer, but yeah, I'm gonna check in with you guys in a couple of hours. So the time right now is 7 minutes past 4 in the evening, or afternoon rather, and this is pretty much what my face looks like. I have to say my forehead is shiny because, I mean guys, I have very oily skin, so my forehead is shiny, my nose is just a little bit shiny, but like usually I get shiny here as well on my cheek area, and it's not shiny at all. Like, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna like blot my nose area, and yeah, there's a little bit of like oils coming through. Guys, I am so oily, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to lightly pat on some more powder, especially in my T-zone area where I am super shiny, and we're gonna see if this powder is suitable for you to be touching up throughout the day if you do have oily skin. I mean, it's layering over my existing makeup really well. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the... Okay, so I just applied the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit, and I will say that the matte balm did not affect the application of this liquid lip whatsoever. So I'm really impressed by it, because you would think that, you know, it kind of glided on with the cream lip product, but would it do the same thing with a liquid lipstick, considering liquid lipsticks do dry down faster and can sometimes be a little bit streakier and all that stuff. But so far everything is looking pretty good with this matte balm. And hopefully I'll check in with you guys maybe just before 8 or maybe close to 10, and we will see how the touch up on the skin has lasted and how the lips last. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, I am back for the final check-in, and the time right now is 8:46, and as you guys can see, I am legitimately oil slick. Let's just round up this video because I'm sure it's been a long one. Now, in terms of the SwiitchBeauty Matte Bounce Powder, I don't think it's enough to combat my frying pan oil skin. I have not blotted my face, I've not touched it since the last time I checked in, and this is pretty much what my skin looks like. Oh my god. Okay guys, these pictures do not look cute, but I'm going to insert it here. And you guys can see there is still flashback under my eye area. Overall, I will say the powder, it's not the best powder I've ever tried, I'm not gonna lie, but it is fairly decent. I mean, the sieve is the bomb diggity. The packaging is really amazing. I mean, I'm not even sure how much of product you get in here, but I have a good feeling it might last you a good amount of time. You guys can see, in terms of it claiming to be matte, well, if you have a frying pan face like I do, it's not going to keep you matte for a very long time, but it does smooth the skin and it does prevent your makeup from settling into your fine lines and all that stuff. And yeah, in terms of this primetime kit, I have to say, out of these two new products from SwiitchBeauty, I have to say my favorite one is probably the primetime kit, just because I think that the exfoliating lip gel and the matte balm together makes such a good combination. I mean, my lip color is fading extremely gracefully, and on top of that, my lips still feel very moisturized, and my lips don't feel like that sticky tacky feeling you can kind of get from these liquid lipsticks. So I really do like this primetime kit. I highly recommend it for those of you, especially those of you who are on Roaccutane and you can't use harsh products on your lips. You can use this under all of your lip products, no matter what. So I hope that this video was kind of informative, and I hope you guys appreciate me checking in, especially with these products. This powder is not horrible, you guys. It's not completely horrible. I really like it for the smoothing purposes and for the fact that it doesn't make my makeup crease, but it doesn't keep me matte for long enough. So I love you guys so much. Don't forget to slay all day, every day with and without makeup. Check my description bar for any other information I forgot to mention, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. But also don't forget to slay all day, every day with and without makeup.